Today I will be covering a topic, data structures, splay trees. So learning outcome after this topic is, after this video you will be able to understand splay tree, understand splaying operations. So what are the splay trees? The worst case time complexity of binary search tree operations like search, delete, insert is big O of n. The worst case occurs when the tree is skewed. Skewed is a one line, you get child at a single stream of the tree. So when can get the worst time complexity as big of log n with AVL and red black tree. So what does it mean is, whenever your trees are skewed, you get a worst time complexity as big of log n with AVL and red black tree. So can we come better? Can we do something better than AVL and red black tree? Yes, there is a solution. The solution is a splay trees. These splay trees are a self-balancing trees. The main idea of a splay tree is to bring the recently accessed atoms to the root of the tree. This makes the recently searched atom to be accessible in big O of one time if accessed again. So we get a worst time complexity as big O of 1, right? So this takes a help of the locality of a reference. This locality of a reference is particularly this particular concept is picked up from the operating system. In an operating system, even whenever we want to keep the pages in a cache, what we do is we keep the pages which are recently accessed in the cache, and the pages which are not recently accessed are kept in the, so in a similar manner, the recently accessed search atoms are to be kept at the top or the root of the tree in the splay trees. All splay tree operations run in big O of log n time on an average, where n is the number of entries in the tree. Any single operation can take a theta of n time in the worst case, right? So these are all the overview of a splay tree. Now we'll see what is the operation splaying. A splaying an element is the process of bringing it to the root position by performing a suitable rotation operation. So splaying itself is a word which says that it is a process of bringing the element to the root by performing many rotation operations. So every operation on a splay tree performs the splaying operation. For example, the insertion operation first inserts a new element into the binary search tree insertion process. Then the newly inserted element is splayed so that it is placed at the root of the tree. The search operation in a splay tree is nothing but the searching the element using binary search process and then splaying that searched element so that it is placed at the root of the tree. Let's have a quick review. Tell me which tree performs better when the tree is cubed? Yes, is it a AVL or red black tree or a splay tree? Please start thinking which tree performs better when the tree is cubed. And the second is, what is an splaying operation? Can anybody answer what is an splaying operation? Okay, so we'll see the answers. So the splay tree performs better when the trees and splaying is an operation which is says as splaying an element is a process of bringing it to the root position, suitable rotation operations. Now we'll see the splay operations on the splay tree, right? So these are few rotation operations. The first is a zig operation. The zig rotation is a splay tree is a similar to the single right rotation. Please remember, this is a single right rotation. You can see the example. When I say splay 3, so 3 is moved to the top in a single right rotation. You can see it here. It is a single right rotation movement of the 3 and all elements on this side are pushed down. So it is your zig rotation or a zig operation. Then we have a zag operation. The zag is a single left rotation. Remember, zig is a single right rotation, zag is a single left rotation. So when we have a splay 5, then this 5 is moved to the left side on the top and other elements are pushed down. So this is my zag operation. Then we have a zigzag operation. A zigzag operation is one in which we move 2 positions to the right from the current position. So when I say splay 2, this element 2 has to move to 2 positions right of it, right? Then only it will come at the root, right? What is the aim behind the splay tree is to bring the element to the to the top, to bring the most accessed element to the top or the root of the tree. So here when I say to bring 2 as the top, we have to do the 2 right rotation, which is called as a zigzag operation, and which gives you the tree in this manner. Then we have a zigzag rotation. The zigzag rotation in a splay tree is a double left rotation. Correct? So when I say splay of 6, the 6 has to move to the top of the tree with the 2 left rotations. So you can see the outcome over here. Then we have a zig and zag rotation. So zig and zag rotation is a combination of left and right rotation. So when I say splay of 4, right, this 4 has to brought to the root position. So to bring 4 to the root, first it has to move in the right side, which is a zig rotation, right? So it has moved to the right, and then it has moved to the left, so it is a zag rotation. So we have made this 4 to the top of the tree. So these are, then we have a zag and zig operation. So zag and zig operation is say I have this play of 4. So how you will have a play of 4? First it has to do the left rotation and then the right rotation, right? It is opposite of the zigzag. Correct? Zag-zig is opposite of zigzag, and then you get outcome as this. So these are all operations related to splay tree, and now we will have a quick review again. So which is a single rotation operation? Can anybody tell me which operation is a single right rotation operation? Which operation is a single right rotation operation? Is it a zig or zag? And the second question, please start thinking. The second question is, what is a zigzag rotation? Right? Give me a one-line answer. What is a zigzag rotation? You can note down answers in your notebook, and then we can verify those answers. Okay, yes. So let's verify the answers. So single right rotation is a zig, and zigzag is every node moves 2 position to right from its current position is a zigzag rotation. So thank you all. With this we have learned the splay trees of data structure.